All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're talking about Dogecoin. That's right, Dogecoin sitting at around 17 cents. All kinds of good stuff's going on. Elon Musk is the man of the year. He has all kinds of good stuff to say about Dogecoin. We're going to go over and look at that. Also, you know, Tesla is now accepting Dogecoin for certain merchandise. We're going to talk about that. That's a couple days old, but definitely some good stuff going on there. All of a sudden, you can pay with your Doge with Tesla's merchandise. We're also going to go to a thing that Dogecoin Mars is now accepted on crypto.com. So that's something that's really, really good. We're going to talk about Dogecoin Mars on crypto.com. A little bit about that. And unions are trying to get into cryptocurrency. They're seeking to get approval so they can actually start having cryptocurrency, so they can give it to their let their clients use it, this and that. Credit unions are trying to get into cryptocurrency. So we have a really action-packed show today. Bonus video today at 8 o'clock. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and that's right, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin's number 12 on the CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu's at number 13, but Dogecoin's traded at about 17.5 cents right now. It's up about 2% in the last 24 hours, down about 2.85% in the last 7 days. It's kind of washed itself out. Clicking over here to the right, 17.5 cents, up about 2% today. Fantastic. Dogecoin. Want to go ahead and come over here real quick. In the last 7 days, what it's been doing. So in the last 7 days, there's that roller coaster. It's going down and up and down and up. Right now, it's kind of on an uptick. Checking out the holders. Clicking 3 months. All right, let's check this out from 3 months ago. 3 months ago, we got 4.3 million holders. About 3 months ago, 4.3 million. Today, well, let's go a month later, September 25th, October 25th, 4.3. Now it's 4.4. So it went up 100,000. So from 4.3 all the way to 90 days, it's now at 4.6. So over 200,000 new holders of the Dogecoin. 4.6 million people own the Dogecoin. So right here, hey, congrats Elon Musk on being Time Person of the Year for dropping some straight facts about Dogecoin. Much, much wow. So yeah, right here, you know, Elon Musk is the Person of the Year. It's only 1 minute and 24 seconds, super big. We're going to go ahead and play it.
I could really sort of wax on about the nature of money for hours because I played a significant role in creating PayPal.
Right.
And so my understanding of the money system at a fundamental level of how it actually works, the detailed mechanics of it, is, I think, there are very few people that understand it better than me. Bitcoin is an interesting example, obviously the prime mover on this, but the transaction volume of Bitcoin is low, and the cost per transaction is high. It is, at least at its base level, suitable for maybe an exchange, a store of value. But fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency.
Right.
And even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions.
Why is that?
The total transaction flow that you can do with Dogecoin is substantially more than, like, transactions per day is much higher than, has much higher potential than Bitcoin. It is slightly inflationary, but that inflationary number is a fixed number as opposed to a percentage.
Right.
So that means over time, its percentage inflation actually decreases. And that's actually good because it encourages people to spend and rather than sort of hoard it as a store of value.
All right, so there we got Elon Musk, Man of the Year, Times Man of the Year. Bitcoin is fantastic, but he's talking about all this stuff, how Dogecoin created as a joke, but it's more efficient. It's better for the economy. All kinds of good stuff. Also, you know it, Tesla is now offering Dogecoin as getting their merchandise. Let's check that out. Right here, Tesla to accept Dogecoin as a payment for merchandise, says Musk. So there's your Dogecoin. Taking a look at the Doge. Tesla's chief, Elon Musk, said Tuesday the electric car maker will accept Dogecoin as payment for merchandise on Tesla will make more merch available, buyable with Doge to see how it goes. So that's kind of neat. Musk tweets on cryptocurrency, including where he called it the people's cryptocurrency, the people's crypto. Helped the meme coin soar to 58-59% over the past year, according to the data of Coinbase website. You know, Elon Musk has been an advocate for cryptocurrency community for many years. We just watched him on Time talking all about how he loves the Doge. Musk did specify that merchandise whose prices start at $50 and go as high as $1,900 could be bought with Dogecoin. So there you go. You're going to be spending either anywhere from $50 to about $1,900 in Doge. Elon Musk Tesla will make some merchandise buyable with Doge and see how it goes. So you got him talking on Time. His company, he's accepting it for items from $50 to $1,900. Dogecoin, yeah, guess what? I remember back in May when it was around 60 cents and it said 17. Seems really low right now. I think this coin's gonna have one of these bumps and stuff, so we'll see. Hey, let's go ahead and head over to credit unions. Taking a look at this, credit unions seek regulatory approval to hold crypto assets. So even credit unions are trying to get in on the game. Credit unions are looking for approval to hold digital assets like Bitcoin directly after the federal regulation clarified they can provide cryptocurrency services to their customers by partnering with third parties. The National Credit Union Association said in a letter published last week that the credit unions with federal insurance deposit can team up with a third-party crypto service provider to allow their members to buy, sell, and hold digital assets as long as certain conditions are met. The guidance is of a broader trend towards a industrial, increasingly embracing digital assets as the space grows and matures. So guess what? Credit unions trying to get into cryptocurrency. Look at the Dogecoin right there. We're talking about Doge, and you see the Doge. Credit unions and Doge. Here's what it says. Where regulatory national banks in July of 2020 gave the banks the green light to offer custodial services to cryptocurrency. All right, so a lot of good stuff. Elon Musk, man of the year, pumping the Dogecoin, like that a lot. Tesla's accepting the Doge for merchandise anywhere from $50 to $1,900. Credit unions trying to get into cryptocurrency. Saw the big Dogecoin right there. All kinds of good stuff. Hey, let's head back over to Dogecoin, do a little price prediction, and then check out some more cryptocurrency. Real quick, I wanted to talk about this. Crypto.com app has listed Doge Elon Mars. Elon. Buy Elon at a true cost right now. The new listing on Crypto.com. Doge Elon is now listed on Crypto.com app, joining the growing list of 150 supported cryptocurrencies. So Doge Elon is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It is not a meme coin, but a real project that has stated a mission to becoming the first, and I like this mission too, the first interplanetary currency that can be used for paying for transport of settlers to Mars. The developers are aiming to develop a trustworthy community based on coins, encouraging the Doge Elon Mars community to airdrop their Elon tokens to victims of crypto scams and other rug pulls. So yep, just wanted to give Doge Elon Mars a little plug here. Listed on Crypto.com, everybody. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. So here's Dogecoin, traded at 17.4 cents. What's my price prediction? I mean, this coin was in May at 60 cents, and I was buying Dogecoin at 60 cents. I'm going to go with at least 30 cents. Dogecoin's going to go to 30 to 34 cents by the end of the first quarter of next year. All our information is for educational purposes only. But, I mean, with more and more places accepting the Dogecoin, and we already knew it was at 60 cents, I mean, 17 cents seems low to me. But, again, we will see. So, with that, let's check out some crypto. So we know Crypto.com is listing Doge Elon, so we might as well start there. Crypto.com is listed at about 53 cents right now, up about 1%. Matic Polygon is up 20% in the last 7 days, up 9% in the last 24 hours. Traded at $2.54. Keep up Matic on your radar. Shiba Inu is at 13, Dogecoin is at 12. They like to flip-flop. Shiba's up 6%, Dogecoin's up about 1.5%. Avalanche is up 17% now. Luna's up 42%. Cardano's traded at $1.34, up about 4% in the last 24 hours. XRP's up 16% in the last 7 days. Not quite $1, 96 cents. Solana's up about 1% in 7 days, $180. Tether's right there at $1. Binance Coin is at $536. Ethereum's at $39.86. And then there's Bitcoin at 48.7. So give us your thoughts. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Dogecoin, 17 cents. Does that seem like a good price? I mean, in May last year, I mean, 60 cents. They were excited Saturday Night Live, and everybody was talking about the Doge. So, I mean, I'm thinking it could go up a little bit. Don't forget, our information here is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock if we do bonus videos. And on the weekends, do it around 3 to 4 o'clock. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.